When I fell into the AEC industry, I came with years of marketing experience. However, I didn't know at the time how different AEC marketing is compared to commercial marketing in the advertising world. As a person who appreciates a bird's eye view, the first couple of years I struggled to understand how everything worked and the importance of my role as a marketing professional. I wasn't given a roadmap or explanation on how things worked in the industry. I later realized a roadmap didn't exist, and most firms aren't able to build one for themselves, which results in huge learning curves, thousands and millions of dollars of lost work, low retention rate, and burnt out marketers. Fast forward to today, my marketing agency, Fortis ODM, helps companies win hundreds of millions of dollars, helps companies get awarded premium projects for clients that they've never worked with, and helps companies with their branding in efforts to double their technical team due to the amount of projects we help them win. What I know now is so valuable. My unique perspective of being an agency owner is I can relate to the challenges of finding great people. Coupled with my experiences working with various firms of all sizes, my knowledge of skills required to be successful have proven to be spot on. I wish I could have given this valuable knowledge to my past self to help her get further in her career and find a safe place to land in a company that was rooted in the same values. Thrive Build AEC is my response to your desperate need to find quality skilled AEC marketing professionals who can dive in and provide immense value to your company. But it's also a way for me to help introduce AEC to people who may have never heard of it before. It's easy to find amazing people with great personalities, but if you're unsure how to properly teach them about your business and its impact in the industry, you'll constantly be challenged with keeping good quality marketers. Thrive Build provides step-by-step training to alleviate leadership of the challenge of handholding new marketers and juggling other roles and responsibilities. The program I offer now to my clients is being packaged into a self-paced program that will guide marketers through how to tailor resumes, read an RFP, and respond to proposals using InDesign, and much more in a practical and not theoretical way. I help deliver to businesses an option that alleviates time training skills and helps them focus on hiring people that convey the ideal team player characteristics: humble, hungry, and smart. So that companies have an easier time establishing long lasting and happy employees to inevitably grow your business, your teams, and your portfolio of amazing notable projects. If you're ready to learn more about Thrive Build so that you can escape the struggle of not having the right in-house marketers to help you win work and grow your firm, go to thrivebuildaec.com and subscribe to stay up to date on our current events and the launch of our self-paced course.